Hi, I'm Rhian Elizabeth, and this is Girls, Etc. It's one of the titles on the poetry shortlist this year for World's Book of the Year, which is a little bit bonkers, but there you go. So whenever someone asks me to describe this book, give them the sort of gist of it, I always say in my perpetual silliness, poems about Taylor Swift and lesbians, which is of course true. There are lots of lesbians in here, obviously, and there is one poem about Taylor Swift, but it's also a book about motherhood, a book about travelling around Sweden. It's just a book about relationships in all their loveliness and all their messiness. Just poems that I guess acknowledge the darkness in the things that are often just presented within the light. And I'm going to read you the poem about Taylor Swift, because why not? Taylor fucking Swift. Thanks to my teenage daughter. If you dare me to sing you every single song Taylor Swift has ever written, I could easily do it. Lyric perfect too. In our house, Taylor's name is sacred. Her face repeated on our walls like the image of our Blessed Lady Mary, and I feel I ought to make the sign of the cross each time I pass it, even though I'm not a practicing Catholic. I once asked my daughter who she would save if we were both drowning, me or Taylor. She could only choose one of us, and I knew by the awkward silence that followed that it would be me left sinking, mouth open in a silent scream while Taylor is pulled from the water, caramel hair falling in perfect wet curls like an all-American mermaid, ready to write her next song about heartbreak. Taylor Swift and lesbians.